Imagine it's a hot day. You're reaching for a drink, and instead of plain water, you grab cucumber water. A simple twist with some surprisingly healthful perks. But this isn't just about the cool, refreshing taste of cucumber water. Let's look at 10 reasons why adding this revitalizing vegetable to your daily drink could just be one of the best health moves you make. Number 1, it's ultra hydrating and delicious. First things first, we all know staying hydrated is key. But let's be real. Plain water can feel, well, a little bland. Cucumber water, though, it's a total game changer. Cucumbers are mostly water, so adding them to your glass actually gives your body even more hydration. Plus, it's way more exciting than regular water, without any added sugars or artificial flavors. And studies show that staying well hydrated affects everything from energy levels to brain function. So yes, drinking cucumber water isn't just a tasty pick-me-up. It's fuel for your brain and body to keep you on point all day long. Number 2, helps flush out toxins. While there's no magic drink that instantly clears out every toxin in your body, cucumber water is about as close as it gets. Cucumbers contain antioxidants and loads of water, which both play a big role in helping your body flush out what it doesn't need. Basically, it's like giving your kidneys and liver a bit of extra support. Think of cucumber water as a gentle push toward feeling fresher, lighter, and maybe even a little healthier. Drink it regularly and it can actually help your body do its job more efficiently. Number 3, rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are these little warriors that fight off free radicals in the body. Free radicals are those pesky molecules that can speed up aging and contribute to disease. Cucumbers are naturally packed with antioxidants, and when they're in your water, they can help protect your cells from oxidative stress. By fighting free radicals, it helps keep your skin looking fresh and radiant. Number 4, great for skin health. Speaking of skin, did you know cucumbers are a skin superfood? Not only are they loaded with vitamins like C and K, which are known for supporting skin health, but they're also incredibly hydrating. Hydration is key for keeping skin soft, clear, and radiant. In fact, drinking cucumber water daily might even help reduce puffiness and dark circles over time. So, if you want that glow, start by adding a few cucumber slices to your water. Number 5, healthy weight management. If you're trying to cut back on sugary drinks or snacks, cucumber water can really help with that. Not only is it super low calorie, but cucumbers are also packed with fiber, which helps you feel full longer and curbs cravings. So instead of grabbing a soda, try cucumber water. It keeps you hydrated, fills you up, and doesn't add a single gram of sugar. Number 6, boosts vitamin and mineral intake. Cucumber water isn't just hydrating. It also has vitamins and minerals galore. By simply soaking a few cucumber slices, your water gets a dose of vitamins A, B, E, C, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for everything from immune health to muscle function. With every sip, you're giving your body a little nutrient boost that adds up over time. Number 7, supports heart health. Doesn't everyone want a happy, healthy heart? Cucumbers are a great source of potassium, a mineral that plays a huge role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Regularly sipping on cucumber water may help manage your blood pressure and support overall heart health. It's an easy, refreshing way to add a bit of heart-smart nutrition into your day without making drastic changes to your routine. Number 8, a fresh breath fix. Yes, cucumbers are a natural breath freshener. They help fight off the bacteria in the mouth, responsible for bad breath. Just holding a slice of cucumber against the roof of your mouth for a few seconds can have a breath-freshening effect. Or just sip on cucumber water throughout the day for fresher breath without the minty overload. Number 9, easy to make and cost-effective. Cucumber water is super easy and cheap to make, even with inflation. All you need are some fresh cucumbers and a pitcher of water. Just 2 simple items you probably already have at home for a quick boost of wellness. Number 10, an ideal drink for hot days. Let's not forget how refreshing cucumber water is on a hot day. It's cool, crisp, and naturally hydrating. The perfect way to stay cool when temperatures rise. Forget sugary, dehydrating sodas or heavy juices. Cucumber water is refreshing without being overly sweet or calorie-packed. It's a simple way to stay hydrated and beat the heat with something that feels like a spa drink. How to make cucumber water. Alright, if you're ready to give it a try, here's a quick and easy recipe. Grab a fresh cucumber, wash it well, and slice it thinly. Add those slices to a pitcher of cold water and let it sit in the fridge for an hour or two to infuse. For an extra twist, you can even add lemon slices or a few mint leaves for an extra burst of flavor. Cucumber water is a simple, affordable, and refreshing way to sneak a little extra health into your daily routine. So grab a cucumber, slice it up, and see how this small change can make a big difference. Cheers to better health, one glass of cucumber water at a time. If you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.